So hello everyone, in this video we are starting our project with MERN STACK actually. So this is a tutorial with a project based learning. So we'll be creating a project, a blog project in which we'll be creating our blogs in the front end, and our all the blogs will be stored in the backend or in the database specifically, and then we'll be managing all these in the MERN STACK. So for that actually we'll be choosing this directory, this MERN code. In this I'll be writing both the front end and the back end code. So you have to open a directory in this, and you can create one folder inside that which is front end. You can do that. You can write front end or client or anything you can write. I'm writing this front end folder. First we'll be building a front end or a basic front end application in React.js. So let's go inside that directory. Then we'll be opening the Visual Studio Code in this directory. I hope you have downloaded that Visual Studio, because I recommend you to download the Visual Studio Code, which is the editor in which we'll be working. You can choose any editor you want, but I'll recommend you to choose Visual Studio, because it is a great environment to work with web development. So I have opened this Visual Studio actually. In this, I'll be creating a React.js project, a simple React.js project. So in here, I can open the terminal in the directory by right clicking on that. Open an integrated terminal. You can press that. Inside that, the terminal will be open, and then we can write the commands for creating the project. We can write npx create React app. This is the command. Make sure you have Node.js installed in your computer, because Node.js is really responsible for this command. If Node.js is not there, will not be able to do that. So make sure you do that. So you can write this command npx create React app, and then after that you can press a star if you want the same directory which is front end to be named as your project, or if you want the project to be created inside this directory, you can write this. Or you can directly write, for example, anything you write. For example, I can write client. So this will be the project name, the client, and after that it will load all the packages or the libraries which is necessary to work with React.js. So then it will complete the downloading, and then we'll be able to run the application or run the bare minimum React.js application. So meanwhile it is happening, let's meet in the next video with some basics in React.js.